Okay, Topps Chrome box 2. We got a Blue Wave auto in the first box. Usually there's at least 5 color autos. Usually there's 2 gold or better. Not always, but usually. Generally. Bryce Harper. Ahmed Rosario. Nice card for the Mets. He's going to be good. I know he didn't have the best rookie year, but he's going to be good. Glaber, Robles, Bueller. Scott Kingery, Prism for the Phillies. Lewis Brinson, Marlins. We got an orange. Might have an auto. Those are cool cards. Paul DeJong, orange auto, 21 of 25. Cardinals. Now, I'd have rather it was Ohtani. Of course, his would have been a redemption, but I'll take DeJong. Jake Lamb, Bregman. I think there's an auto in here. Mela for the Reds. All right, so 2 autos left. Mike Trout, Blue Wave, 55 of 75. Blue Wave, Mike Trout. Cool card. Quintana, Parker Bridwell for the Angels. 1 auto left. Lindor, refractor. Lamb, Matt Olson to 50. 16 of 50 for the A's. And the last auto. Acuna. Bravik Valera for the Cardinals. Cardinals ended up with 2 autos in that box. So non-auto, Matt Olson, Mike Trout, Brinson, and a Kingery. Not too shabby. Bravik, Bridwell, Mela, and Ahmed Rosario. So good boxing as the Paul DeJong is to 25. A single box is about $200 or so. Of jumbo. Hobbies, not that high, of course. All right, guys, box 3 coming up. Let me save your video.